Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have 2018 Renault Megane and I will show you which fuse to check in case your horn is not working. This video will apply to 4th generation of Renault Meganes made from 2016. The fuse you need is located in the main fuse box, which is just under the steering wheel on the left side, under this cover. Now to remove the cover, you just have to pull it towards yourself. There is like a small opening down here, so just pull it straight out. On the back side of this cover, you will have a small fuse diagram on the top. You will have a yellow fuse puller which you can use to remove and check any of the fuses, and you will have a couple of spare fuses in case you have to replace one. And once this cover is off, you'll get access to all of the fuses. And the horn fuse is a 20 amp yellow fuse located right here. So this is the fuse you want to check. I will zoom it in a bit so you can see it better. Okay, so this yellow fuse. If this fuse is burnt, hopefully just by replacing it, that will fix your problem. If the fuse is good, then you will have to do a bit deeper diagnostics and start looking into the wiring, and most likely the most often cause for horn not working is a failed airbag clock spring. But like I said, start with the fuse. Okay, thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.